Alright boy no be small tin boy dis one na Indian flood boy see the kind flood wey dey happen for India omo no be small tin at all Kai God bless Nigeria na just dis our government wey we get wey just dey chop money anyhow omo if dis kind one happen for Naija wetin go happen? Hey see wetin dey happen for India dis one na kai boy no be small dis people dey suffer omo no be small tin hey dis one na serious one everything just dey fall both building everything dey carry everything dey move hey but why una medicine no come stop dis one? Think say una dey do juju well na una for control am na dis one na nature. Alright omo no be small tin guys please share dis video India dey in pain now omo see flood abeg see that is tin no e no dey pity anybody dey carry every day I no know where e dey carry dem dey go hey omo see everywhere no be small tin at all